guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ananya and this is Thoughtful Creation 27 and this is a tutorial video for this candy striped bracelet. I've done it in the rainbow pattern and I'll be showing you how to make this one, and if you want to have the same color scheme you can follow along with the colors I will show you after this. And this is a beginner friendly bracelet and only has forward knots in the whole pattern. If you are familiar with the knots, well and good. If you are not, I also have a video on how to do the basic knots for friendship bracelets. I will link it in the description as well as in the left side card you'll see. So let's continue making this bracelet. So to start this bracelet you will need 7 colors, and in this bracelet I have chosen 7 colors and these are the colors of the rainbows. So you will need 7 colors if you are just following along with me, and you'll need 1 string of each color and each string should be 100 centimeters, 1 centimeter long each string. So you will have 7 strings after cutting each string of each color. After you've cut all your strings, you will take at least 6 inches here and tie a slip knot like this. Wrap your bundle around your 2 fingers like this, form an X, and then take out your fingers from the bundle and then twist the above portion of the bundle and through the loop, and then tie a slip knot like this. I'm tying this slip knot because we are going to start our bracelet from here. After doing the bracelet we will pull this end to loosen the slip knot and do our ties. So after doing this slip knot we will start our bracelet. If you have a table you are working on, you can just tape it on your table. I have a clipboard, so I will attach the loop on my clipboard and we'll start doing the bracelet. Since we are following the pattern of a rainbow, we'll arrange the strings according to that order. So first we'll take our indigo string and then do a backward knot on the whole bundle. Then we'll take our violet string, which is also a purple string, and do a backward knot on the remaining bundle. Then take our blue string then we'll take our green string do a backward knot, and then take the yellow string and do a backward knot on the remaining 2 strings, and then the last we'll do a backward knot on the red string using the orange string. Now our strings are arranged in the order we want them to be, and since this is a candy stripe bracelet all the pattern will be in a slant direction. So this slant start of the bracelet is also known as a half triangle start, and it works best for a candy stripe bracelet, and the whole bracelet follows along only forward knots, so it is a beginner friendly bracelet. Let's continue. We'll take our indigo string and do forward knots in all of the strings. On the violet string, then on the blue string, on the green string, yellow, orange, and red. Now you can see our indigo string is at the last. Now we will work with the violet string along all of these strings, doing forward knots including the indigo string. We are done with the second row, and that is all to this bracelet. There are only forward knots, and then now we'll work with the blue string in all of the strings, doing forward knots. And as you continue doing those, you will see the colors forming in a candy stripe. I'll do 14 centimeters of my bracelet. Generally I do that. You can do shorter or longer versions of the bracelet, and I will meet you when I'm done with the whole length of the bracelet. So now I have come to the end of the bracelet, and to maintain the rainbow pattern, this is where I've marked my 14 centimeters. It's 1 centimeter less than that. It's fine because I wanted to maintain the rainbow pattern. So now we will finish the bracelet with the red string, and to do that, first we'll do a forward knot on the indigo string with the red string here. Now we will take the indigo and the violet string and do a backward knot, and then a forward knot on both the strings. Then again we'll take the blue string and do a backward knot on all the 3 strings with the red string and a forward knot. You can see all the threads are collecting and it is giving a slant finish. This is a half triangle finish. And then we'll take the green thread along with the bundle and do a backward knot on all the strings, and then a forward knot. Then again, taking the yellow string, we do a backward knot and a forward knot. And lastly, we'll take the orange string with the whole bundle and do a backward knot and a forward knot. So now we have completed our bracelet, and you can see it follows a color scheme. Take 6 inches after that to make the other end of the tie. Cut your string, and then I'll show you how to do the ties. To do the ties, we will divide the bundle into 2 halves. One you can have 4 strings, and another bundle you can have 3 strings because there are 7 strings in total. And we will twist the first bundle clockwise and then hold it with our index and thumb, and the other bundle as well we'll twist in a clockwise direction, and then we'll twist these two anti-clockwise together. And then twist the ties and tie a knot at the end. So this will be our tie, and I'll do the next one and show you the bracelet. So this is how our bracelet looks, guys. We are done. You can see the rainbow candy stripe pattern showing and the ties. So I hope you like this tutorial, and if it helped you, please like this video, subscribe to my channel for future tutorials and vlogs, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.